Hey, what's up guys? It's the Smart Home Helper, and today I'm going to be showing you how to charge your batteries on your Ring devices. So if you have a Ring device that has a battery in it, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to charge it. So let's go ahead and dig in. So I got the Ring stick-up camera. That's what I'm going to use as our example today. But for this one, you're just going to push down and then you'll be able to slide out the battery. So here's the battery here. I'll tell you, it's different on each device on how you take it out. But each one for the battery is going to have a little hole right there. So that's going to be a UBC there. And most devices are going to come with this cord right here. It's going to be an orange one. If you don't have it, I'll put a link in the description so you can have one. You go ahead and plug that in. So get that plugged in. Did it backwards there. It doesn't come with a little headpiece here. So I'll have that down there as well if you don't. But that's as simple as it is to charge. You can go ahead and plug it in. It takes somewhere between 5 to 10 hours to charge this up. Now I will tell you, I have found some on Amazon that are kind of like you place down without having to plug into anything. So I'll have those in the Amazon link as well if that's something you guys are interested in. But that was my goal today, was to show you guys how it charges up. So it's pretty simple. If you guys have any questions or need any help, let me know, and don't forget to subscribe.